thank you so very much for joining me. I'm Anna from Craft Me a Card, and I love crafting for the crafter, and that is you. On this Wacky Wednesday, I come to you with a very tiny haul from Hobby Lobby. My daughter and I went on Monday looking for Valentine's Day things, maybe that they could gift their friends at school. I know we waited for the very last minute to go looking for these things, but I was able to find these cute wood tile stickers. And this was, I believe, 40% off. Anyways, I decided to take a quick peek at their metal dies. And it was to my surprise that they had very few. And when I asked one of the workers there that was working in the paper crafting section, I told her, do you have any metal dies? And she said, oh yes, the few that we have are here. And she took me to this section. Indeed, it was very few metal dies left, but they all had the red tag, which is on clearance, or not on clearance, which is reduced, right? And she said that she thought that they were all being reduced because they were Christmas, they were trying to get them out, clearancing them out. Turns out, she said that they were no longer going to be selling metal dies. So they are on clearance because they are no longer, going to be selling them. They want to get rid of all of their metal dies. And which is very sad to me, because I would go to Hobby Lobby to look for these metal dies, especially when they're on clearance. And it only makes me concerned. Are stores like AliExpress or Amazon making these stores, these tangible stores, if you will, get rid of things like this? Is the competition too stiff? Are the prices that Amazon and AliExpress, stores like this, and there's a gazillion like that, but I wonder if they are affecting our favorite stores. So anyways, if you have a Hobby Lobby that you could go to, try to get, what you can. This is what I got. I've always wanted a pie for some reason, a pie metal die, and this is a good size of die for this pie. I always think that it's really cute, like, hello cutie pie, or pie love you, Anyways, a cute play on words. So I got this one. This was $11.39, from $18.99 to $11.39. Now, it's not that cheap, but I still considered it is a good size of die, and the price was good. I did see this hot foil plate for Christmas, and I did get a hot foiling machine for Christmas from my hubby. So I'm excited to use this. And this was from $23.99 to $14.39. And this one also I'm very excited to use. This one was from $26.99 to $16.19. So I'm excited to use this one on some black cardstock. And this is again for hot foiling. So this is what I got, and really, this is pretty much what they had. They didn't have many more die cuts or hot foiling plates that I was interested in. I mean, the selection was very limited. I did call a different Hobby Lobby, and she also said that all of their metal dies are also with the red tag. They are on clearance. And she said, I asked her, do you guys have a good selection? And she said they had a fair amount of them. So that means that my Hobby Lobby, the one that's closer to me, doesn't have many, but maybe, your Hobby Lobby has more. So I just wanted to let you guys know, give you guys heads up of what's going on with Hobby Lobby, and I'm really interested to know if your Hobby Lobby is also doing this, if they're getting rid of their metal dies in the store. What's next, guys? Paper? Anyways, thank you so very much for joining me. I hope that you all have a blessed day, and I will see you next time. Thanks again. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I appreciate you. Thank you, and bye-bye. Why is the color so oogly boogly? It looks weird. Huh. Orange. Anyways, that's not what I want to talk about.